What's up, guys? Welcome back at Man Cave Reef. I ran into another problem. So now we have some noises in my return lines, pipes. So the problem is that everything from aquarium to my filter room is hard plumb, and we might have a little problem. First, we're not gonna cut anything. We're gonna go in the filter room, check if we can get through the problem through the unions that we installed when we were building the filter room. So let's get to it and check what's inside the pipes. Alright guys, so the problem is right in the plumbing that returned from aquarium to my filter room, and the problem is right here by the wall. There's two drain pipes, two return lines, and I found out the problem is right here on this is the drain pipe to my sump from the aquarium. So looking inside in the filter room, this is the one that we have to open up and clean. And the good thing about it is that when you follow the line, there's a union right here, so we can take this apart and clean that pipe right there. That's the very good news, because looking at this pipe, this drain, I don't have any unions, so we would have to cut everything all the way to God nowhere to get it cleaned. So let's take everything apart and start working on it. Alright guys, so we did clean the drain pipe, and it was not easy. The thing was getting stuck. I have a lot of elbows over here and angles, so that wasn't a good thing. And if I would do it again, I would think I would put more unions over here that I can actually every couple feet can take off their plumbings and be easier access. If you guys thinking about hard plumbing or aquarium, unions, unions, and unions, because it's just much easier in case something happens. It will help you down the road. So as always, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like the video, and leave the comment down below. And I'll catch you on the next one. Take it easy.